Welcome back. February is American Heart Month, and many employees don't realize how stress, poor nutrition, and lack of exercise can impact their heart health. Joining us to discuss how workplaces can help employees improve heart health through biometric screenings, stress management, and healthier lifestyle choices is Trisha Doan with Well365. Thanks for being here.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Yes, I know it's been a little bit of time.
It has, yeah. Had to get through the winter months, maybe.
Right, I know. Yeah, I wouldn't even leave the house if I were you, right? So tell us a little bit about, just the importance of heart health.
Yeah, well, especially in the workplaces. I mean, there's a lot of things that lead up to individuals with heart health, whether it's stress or just lifestyle changes. And so when that impacts individuals in the workplace, not only can it impact their healthcare dollars, but just overall, just productivity and all of that. So from an employer standpoint, if they can give their employees the opportunity to know what their numbers are, it's another touch point, not a replacement of them having going to the doctor or having a primary care doctor, but another touch point just to know where you're at with your numbers.
Yeah, and what are some of those other ways that employers can really help out their employees and reach out maybe?
Yeah, so I mean, one of the things that we mentioned was the biometric health screenings. And that is essentially a really quick test that we administer. It takes 10-15 minutes, immediate results within 90 seconds. But individuals get numbers to let them know if they are at risk for high cholesterol, heart disease, diabetes. And from there, not only do individuals get educated on their numbers, but these employers get, some aggregate data to know, hey, is across the board, do we have areas of concern of blood pressure or cholesterol? And that allows them to do some ongoing education, whether it's bringing in individuals for seminars or just really encouraging their employees to manage their stress, when it gets nicer out, take walking breaks and just different lifestyle behaviors, and also just know how to have kind of a strategic plan on what they can provide for their employees to help them lead a better quality of life, a healthier life, and make it kind of a culture type approach versus just you're on your own and kind of figure it out. So it's just really another touch point that employers can offer for their employees to really advocate for health and well-being.
Yeah, and on the other side, as employees, what are some things we can do if we start feeling stressed at work or maybe overwhelmed? What are some things we can do?
I mean, it's different for everyone. So for some people, they need to, maybe it's movement and they exercise. For other people, it's meditation or just stepping away from, the work day or taking a couple breaks throughout the day to do that. So I think figuring it out of what you need to help manage your stress. Don't forget how important it is to get adequate sleep, stay hydrated, utilize resources if your employer offers an employee assistance program or other resources if your stress has gone towards more of a serious concern. But really just taking care of yourself and what works best for you, proper nutrition, moving your body, when even on cold days like this, the sun, having some vitamin D, just a lot of those different self care approaches. And then just know that everyone's going to have stress. It's just how well can you manage it.
Yeah, it's very important.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for being
Thanks
here.
for having me.
Yeah. Stick around. We have more after the break.